Morning everybody. Right, so this is a big video. This is 16 years since this car was washed, so we're going to crack on with it. I'm here with Mike. He's hiding over there in the shadows. Now, one thing we're going to say is that neither one of us are professionals. Neither one of us have had any professional training. We are literally using what we've got. We're not going to do like a 75 stage cleaning process. We're going to literally wet it off. We're going to snow foam it. We'll then probably wash it, clay bar it, dry it, and then we're going to machine polish it. I bought a new machine polisher for the job. So yeah, let's crack on with it. So yeah, 16 years worth of dust, grime, general build up. It's not in too bad nick considering that it was stored in a garage, so I'm not overly worried about what was actually on the paint, but there is a lot of ingress dirt, and yeah, it's going to be quite hard to get out, I think. So just starting off, pressure washing any loose dirt, debris that we could off before we get the snow foam. That was an Auto Bright, I think it was a lemon sherbet, and to be fair, it smelled really good. Unfortunately, my pressure washer was stolen the day before, so we're using Mike's add-on for his Lance. So it isn't quite giving us the foamy coverage that we were looking for, but it certainly did the job that we wanted. Yeah, you've got to be gentle on that bit as well, because that's a bit... Onto soft contact wash, lamb's wool mitt, and yeah, 2 bucket method. Just generally a quick wash over, just try and remove any of that sort of built up ingress, and yeah, just get rid of it as best we could. So Auto Finesse Citrus grime remover, I think is what it was called, something like that, but it was really good actually. Very sort of strong cleaning agents, but not overly harsh on the paint. We just had to basically clean off what we could with the brushes, get in all the crevices and stuff, and just spray it as we did it. So yeah, and then as you can see, Mike had to shoot off quickly. He had to go and sort out his piles. I don't mean his piles on his bum, he's having some building work done at home. Next step, we're just using a clay mitt. It was a medium grip mitt, or a medium strength clay, I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, that with some clay lube, just going over the body and just trying to get the sort of remnants of that real deep build up of dirt off of it. Again, it left the paint feeling super smooth, so I was really pleased with the outcome on the product. So all I'm doing here is just using that mitt, and I'm just literally using the weight of my hand. I'm not pushing down at all. Just use that to get rid of that last ingrained bits of dirt in the paint that are easily removable. So Halford's finest drying towel doing its job. It's not bad, to be fair, it's okay, but it does leave a bit of green fluff, but I generally go over the vehicle anyway with like a lighter microfiber, so it gets the bulk of the water off without really even having to wring it out. So after being parked up for sort of 16 years, you can really see how flat the paintwork is, but you can, you know, it's now clean, but it's so dull, it really is, and you can really see that sort of real deep dirt in the paint, and hopefully that's what we'll be able to get out when we machine polish it. Right, so yeah, so this is the Batoka Amazon special, whatever it is. We're going to give the Porsche the polish with it. I've got 3M Finesse It. It's really good stuff. It starts out coarse, and the more you use it, the softer it gets. So I've already given it a bit of a shake up. I'm just going to go with like 4 blobs. I have never done this before, so if I'm honest, I'm a little anxious, but we shall see what happens and just go with it. I'm going to start on this rear quarter. I've watched a few videos of people doing it. Hopefully get on all right.
That's mental. How much difference that's made that quickly. You haven't even got all the polish off it yet.
I've not known.
Let me just zoom into the logo on that, give you some footage of. Yeah.
Safe to say, there's quite a difference there and there.
100%. That's mad. That didn't take that much.
No, and that's just
and obviously it's probably not like a final, you know.
No. That's one light pass. I mean, I've got some real finishing polishes and stuff.
Yeah.
But it's just one light pass. So I think we'll do that for the whole car. Do one light pass
yeah.
on it.
It's going to make such a difference.
Okay, so I'll finish this bit off. I can't thank Mike enough for his help on that day. He gave me the confidence, although he's never done it before, but he gave me the confidence to just jump on, and we just did it. And we were both so pleased with the results, and he gave up a whole day to help me get the car clean. So much love to my man Mike. Yeah, I was going to say, it might absolute faithful. I think I might have been a bit keen with the amount of polish that I put on the front. I was a little worried it was getting dry, so I put plenty on, and it ended up giving Mike a facial. Also, sorry, there is quite a lot of butt crack in this video. And pop-ups. It should be fine. So I'll just do... Look at that side now. just taking a moment to step back and look at the job that we'd done, and also look at the sort of direct difference between the side and the top. You can really see how badly it needed a polish, and it was instant. As soon as that polish went on and then you buffed it off, there was such a transformation on the paintwork. Right, so Sam's come down to join me and Mike. It's been pretty productive. We've washed and we've really done the best we can with the paint. It's come up really well on the quarters and things like that, but the bonnet we're not overly happy with, so we think we're going to have to go with a harsher cut, but we're not going to know until really we try a harder cut on it. But yeah, so Sam's here. Say hello, Sam. Hello. As I fall over. Hi guys. But yeah, so we're gonna just crack on and see what we can get done. So I changed the mop head and I put a buffing pad on just to help buff that wax and get what was left of the wax off and give it that mirrored finish.
What's this? This bit.
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Delicious.
That's in the sound as well, you're going.
Yeah, I mean, that's going to need a lot. And before we get the comments, I am fully aware that that bonnet has still got so many swirl marks and scratches in it, but we just weren't sure how far and how hard we could go on it. However, all of these photographs are completely unedited. That is exactly how it looked the day we finished, and I was so pleased with it. Oh shit. Trip over my own camera. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Tell me what I've done wrong. Tell me what you think I've done right. And yeah, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do hit that sub button. It does make the world of difference. Give me a like. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.